I'm Martin Bevan. I'm an exercise instructor in cardiac rehabilitation for Aneurin Bevan University Health Board. But I'm also a qualified health walk leader and walk leader trainer, so I've been seconded to the council for the Sustaining Caerphili's landscaping project. My role is to lead walks in two areas of Caerphili, Graig y Rhacca and Lansbury Park. So they're weekly walks, health walks to improve people's health and get them out into the local environment so they can learn what's on their doorstep and enjoy the outdoors and improve their health and well-being. The main health benefits of health walking are the physical benefits, for your heart, your lungs, your muscles, working on your balance and coordination. Also then the social benefits, so meeting other people, making new friends, having a chat along the walk. And then the mental health benefits are just getting out into the nature, the local environment and the green spaces, and reducing the anxiety levels, walking in a nice safe group and just enjoying walking in the local environment. Waymarked walking trails have been devised in 5 different areas of Caerphili, and in each of those areas there's 3 separate walking routes, from a short walking route to a moderate to a longer route. They all have a distance on them and also calories, number of calories that would be burnt by the average person walking those routes. We have trained up local people to become walk leaders, to give them the skills and the confidence to be able to lead walks in the community to help the groups become self-sustaining for the future. A particular success of the project has been working with other departments of Caerphili County Borough Council, such as the regeneration team and Caerphili Cares, and also seeing people regularly turn up on a weekly basis, whatever the weather, to enjoy going out into their local area that they may not have even known was a walk in that area and how nice it was, the woodlands, the rivers, etc. And just to see them enjoying themselves, just chatting a lot away and just enjoying each other's company, and then hearing that they've been back to those areas on weekends and other days with their family. So it's been nice to sort of encourage them to enjoy the outdoors and their local green spaces around Caerphili.